Hello everyone, my name is Arun and welcome to my channel. This series is a tutorials on C programming, and in this tutorial we will be calculating the area of a triangle using Hero's formula or Heron's formula. Now this is a page I took, this is a page from Wikipedia, okay, and it explains about Heron's formula, or also called as Hero's formula. What it does is that if you have the three sides of a triangle ABC, okay, you can from that you can calculate the perimeter, and that's why you can calculate the semi-perimeter. And once you have the semi-perimeter on the three sides of the triangle, the area of the triangle is given by this expression over here, which is actually square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Okay, this is a fairly long expression. Okay, it's a little bit computing, but other hand it'll work out fine. And this expression works out for almost all triangles. Not almost, it'll work for all the triangles. And this is a simplified expression over here, compact one. And if you want, you can also expand this s into s and write it in terms of purely in terms of the sides a, b, c and all, and you can have multiple expressions like this. Okay, we're just going to stick with the simplest one over here, and we're going to proceed with that. And now to do that, I have a program which is already ready. The program layout is already ready in CodeBlocks, the project layout. Okay, and the project layout and the file name, CodeBlocks file is 04 underscore area underscore triangle, which I have it ready. Now let's start working with it. I already written a comment on the top saying program to calculate area of a triangle using Hero's formula. So let's start with it. First, we need some variables to store the sides of the triangle. So I can use float to do that. And the thing is, since the area size of the triangle can be non-integers in general, so I'm going to keep this to be float. Okay, if I use integers, then there could be a little bit of a problem. I'll tell you guys about that in some time later, maybe in the subsequent video. Okay, or in one or two videos later. Okay, we have the floats, the sides of the triangle stored in ABC, and then let's see. And then we can find variables to store perimeter. We can create variables to store perimeter, semi-perimeter, perimeter, and let's see, area. We need that. So for that, the variables we can assign are peri for the perimeter, s for the semi-perimeter, and area for the area. Fair enough. Now let's assign some values. If let a be 3, b be 4.0, and if you catch my drift correctly, this is 5.0, because if I am assuming the simple right angle triangle with sides 3 and 4 5, so 3 and 4 sides with dimensions 3 and 4 are perpendicular to each other, and the hypotenuse will be of 5 units long. Okay, calculating the area of this triangle is very simple. You just have to multiply the product. You multiply the sides which are perpendicular to each other and divide by 2, and that will do. Okay, so for this triangle the area is actually 6 units, because you multiply 3 and 4, it's 12 divided by 2 is 6, and there you go, it's 6 units. Now we have the sides ready. Let's calculate the perimeter. So perimeter is easy. So perimeter is given by the peri is actually a plus b plus c. Okay, that will do. And one thing I want to stress here is that you can totally write this expression like this, okay, by jam packing everything together, but this can be a bit clumsy and not that easy to read. Okay, it's not that easy to read. So if you give some sufficient space, it'll be okay, it'll be easy to read. That's more of a readability thing. Yes. Okay, likewise the tab over here and all, these tabs are completely optional, but in general it is actually recommended to use these tabs and all, so that the code becomes legible and easy to work with. Right now for simple programs it doesn't make sense, but for very long programs in the future, this makes a lot of difference. Okay, so keep that in mind. And now let's calculate the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, okay, and that is given by s. So since I already have perimeter available, I can divide that by 2 to get my semi-perimeter. More than enough. Otherwise the alternate expression is, I just have to type let's see, 0.5 times peri. That will also work. All right, and now here comes the tough part of the today's program area. For that we need we need square root. What am I typing? We need square root function. Okay, and this is available in math.c. so include math.h. So if you want to use a square root function directly, you need to include this math.h file, okay, at the top, and that is the reason why I included this over here. So how do we go about with this area? It's simple. We just type area and we write sqrt. This will take care of the square root operator, so now you don't have to worry about it. We just have to write in the contents inside. So this actually, the actual formula is s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, like that. And there you go. That's about it. Okay, now that we're done, let's print the area so that we're convinced that we did it fine. Print area. So let's use the printf statement that we're reasonably familiar now. The area of the triangle with sides a equals percentage f, b equals percentage f, and c equals percentage f is percentage f. Okay, so it's going to print the area of the triangle with a equals 5, sides a equals 3 and b equals 4 and c equals 5 is area, which is actually 6 in this case. So let's pass in the corresponding values a, b, c and area. Okay, there we go. Now we're all done with this program. Okay, now this program is officially working, so let's compile this. No warnings, no errors, good. And now if I run this, there we go. It says the area of the triangle with sides a equals 3, b equals 4 and c equals 5 is actually 6. Perfect. And now what we're going to do is that let's replicate the example they're given in this Wikipedia page. Here, as an example, the sides of this triangle they taken are a equals 4, b equals 13 and c equals 15. Okay, and with this, the area of the triangle they obtain is 24 units. So let's see if our program is able to generate that, shall we? So a is 4, b is 13 and c is 15, isn't it? Yeah, c is 15. Make sure that we just to cross verify whether we did it right. A is 4, b is 13 and c is 15. Yep. Okay, and now since I modified the program, I have to compile this again and I run this. It says the area of the triangle with sides a equals 4, b equals 13, c equals 15 is 24. Perfect. This means we have done the program correctly. Okay, I can put this \n so that there will be a line at the bottom. There we go. This blank line is fine. Okay, that will do. Now with this program, we have successfully completed the area of a this program to find the area of a triangle. But if you look at it, there can be a lot more things that can be done to make this program a little better. For instance, we are just assigning the values a, b, c over here within the program. All right, within the program. What if we have to make this in such a manner that we take the values directly from the user instead of assigning it over here? Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, that's what we're going to do. Go and see in the next video. In the next video, we'll automate this program so that the computer while running this program will ask for the variables directly from the user instead of we going into the compiler and specifying it manually. We're going into the program and specifying it manually. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care.